Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PSTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. Initial area of support is what I would call the ideal level. We say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay right up there above the round number of $12. That's also an interesting area because if that level does not hold, now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that it is guaranteed to happen or going to happen within 10 minutes, but next level of support, essentially not until all the way down here, slightly below $11. And that's kind of the catch-22 when you have these big movements up like this. It can create spaces between areas of support. So again, I'm not saying that if there's a break of 12, it's going right down to $11. My point is any sort of break right there, especially if it's a high volume break to the downside, it wouldn't be shocking to see this thing go through a deeper pullback. And like I said, a deeper pullback being right there around the $11 mark. But nonetheless, going forward, those are going to be the two main areas of support to watch. As far as areas of resistance, nothing fancy or complicated here at all about this resistance trend line that formed after today, which represents the selling pressure that eventually did show up. So I don't say selling pressure in a negative way in the sense of, oh, this thing is going back down to $8. I just say that in the sense of the bulls can never really build any sort of momentum. I mean, they tried on several occasions, but every time they tried, those highs just kept getting lower and lower, which, like I said, just represents that there is too much selling pressure out there for the price to really ever build any sort of further momentum. But all in all, any way you look at it, huge volume today, great price movement. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum next week. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.